Hello everyone, let's start the video. So for this one, tie your hairs nicely and then start making the braids of the remaining hairs and then attach it properly. Now pull it inside out as it will look like this. Now make a bun and then tie it nicely with the help of it and it's all done. For next one, make a ponytail and then take a clip, attach it nicely. It will look like this. Now take the remaining hairs and then divide the hairs into 3 sections and then start making the braids as shown in the video and then attach it properly till the end. Then make a bun out of it and then attach it nicely with the help of a hairpin and then it's all done. It's cute, right? For next one, take the sections of your hairs and then start making the braids as it will start looking like this. Make it very nicely and gently till the end and then make a bun out of it and then fix it properly with the help of a hairpin. It will look like this and then it's all done. For next one, make a ponytail and then take a clip and then attach it nicely as shown. Now take the remaining hairs and then tie it nicely with the help of the elastic and then fix it properly with the help of the clutcher or the clip and it's all done. For this one, take the section of your hair, tie it nicely and pull it inside out. Now take the remaining hairs and do it as shown in the video. Attach it all together and then it will look like this. It's done. For next one, make a ponytail and then loose it and then pull it inside out from the side. Now pull out the hairs as shown in the video and then start making the braids of the remaining hairs and pull out the braid as shown. It will be looking like this. Now make a bun out of it, attach it all properly. It's done. For next one, take the section of your hair, tie it nicely and then pull it inside out. Now repeat the exact same process more times and then pull out the hairs. It will be looking like this. Now take the remaining hairs and make 2 braids out of it and then tie it nicely with the help of the elastic. Now attach it all together into the bun with the help of the elastic or the pin and then it's all done. For next one, take the section of your hair, tie it nicely and then pull it inside out. Now take the remaining hairs, make the braids out of it and then attach it properly as shown in the video with the help of the hairpin and then it's all done. Thanks for watching.